It's not that easy. It is not that easy. Everybody wants to be a graduate and search for a job. Wherever I go, I always say that how many are going to be job givers and job seekers. Everybody cannot be job seeker. Government today are giving around 45,000 jobs in various fields in the state of Goa. 15 lakh population of the state. The youngsters who are passing out from higher secondaries, college, universities, different fields, professionals. But everybody, like whoever becomes a lawyer, sometimes they want to become a government lawyer. So how many lawyers can be government accommodating? Hardly around 25, 30, 40. 50 maximum. So we have to be job givers. And for that, you have to be a businessman. All of you cannot become a businessman, but few who are seated over here in this hall have to be job givers. If you speak in English word, these are all skill development. आम्ही ready हा challenge घेवपाक. If somebody learns how to make a window, a caslet, the frame of the window, and some doors, there is lot of models in the state of Goa. So many orders, but our boys are ready to take up this business. They have property here behind their house. They can put a shade. They can start it. He has to go and learn it somewhere, either in government, 11, 12, instead of skill development, and he can become the greatest carpenter who can sell 3,000 to 4,000 doors and windows all over Goa and outside the state of Goa. There is big demand. Supply is less. Chairs, tables, stainless steel, wood, anything. You have to be ready to make it. So when we say make in India, we have to say make in Goa.
One of the biggest diseases that the future generation will face, and one of the biggest addictions, it is being glued to this screen. Everywhere we go today, we see screens. And whether we like it or not, it has become a part of our lives. We cannot avoid it. That is why our theme for today, going into the future, taking AI along, but staying rooted to our culture, to our heritage. This life will take you to many places. Some of you will go abroad to work. Some of you will go to different parts of the country to work once you're done with your education. But you must never forget where you came from. Never forget Parra. Never forget our village. Never forget your home. People will judge you in a few years once you have crossed a certain threshold, not because of your marks or because of your academic success. It will be because of your character, your kindness, your humility, whether you were able to bring out a change in society. We fight for cleanliness today. One of the key themes of my team in Together for Parra is to keep our village clean and green. And that starts from our homes.